Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install a custom fit dash cam in this 2020 Toyota Tacoma. So let's get started. Okay, so the dash cam that I'm going to be using is from FitcamX. Has a custom OEM style design that replaces your vehicle's factory rear view camera cover. Now the benefits of that is that the appearance looks factory. There's no wire routing. It just taps directly into your rain sensor or your mirror harness. And it's simple to install. It only takes about 15 minutes or less. So let's go ahead and get this box open and see what's inside. Okay, the first thing I see once I get the box open is a larger box that says dash cam and a skinny box that says accessories. We're going to start with the skinny box and see what it has for the accessories. All right, the first thing I'm going to see is the wire harness adapter. This here will be for your camera, and this just plugs into your existing harness. This here is a plastic pry tool. And the SD card reader with USB and USB-C. Now pick up the large box, and underneath you will find your user manual. Lots of great information in there, very detailed. And the dash cam box itself. We will have our dash cam. Now, the first thing I notice, a couple buttons here, power button, camera button, and some LED lights. On the side here has a micro SD card. Has a 64 gigabyte pre-installed. This can take up to 256 gigabyte. On the front you have your camera underneath this protective sticker. On the inside you have your wire, which plugs into this end right here. And it will only go on one way. If you notice the notch, puts together, click, the wire is installed. Take a closer look, you just see a wireless antenna. That way it can connect to your phone so you can see the videos, or you can take the SD card out and use the reader to plug into your computer. So let's go ahead and get out to the truck and I'm show you how to install this. Okay, now we're inside the truck. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of move my mirror out of the way a little bit. It doesn't have to go very far. Now on your plastic cover here, just squeeze each side and pull downwards. Not down, but down across the windshield like this. Just like that. And it should pop off. Now if you notice on your cover, you have these little clips. Now these little clips are going to come off and they're going to go on here. I'm going to take my adapter first. You're going to unplug it from here and plug it into your adapter. And then we'll plug that back into right here. Now we got that done. Okay, now on these clips, you're just going to want to pry each side just out a little bit and slide off. Just like that. And we'll do the same thing to the other one. Perfect. Now take your camera and just slide your clips back on until they click. Just like that. Okay, once you get your clips on, we're going to go ahead and get this hooked up here. Now it's a good time to go ahead and peel the protective sticker off your camera. We're going to go ahead and hook our power to the camera up to the adapter wire. Just take note that there's a notch to where it slides in only one way. Once it clicks together, the camera is hooked up. Push the wires up in here, just like so. Camera against the windshield and press up, just like that. Now it's installed, and you can see it fits perfectly and it looks OEM. And here's a look of the camera from the outside. Kind of hard to see with the glare, but you can see it's pretty well hidden. Okay, so on your phone, you're going to download an app called FitcamX. So once you get that downloaded, go ahead and start your vehicle. That'll activate the camera. Open the app. Click connect. Now it's going to scan for a Wi-Fi network, which will be right here. It'll say car cam. Click on that. Now the default password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Click connect. Once it connects, then we'll just go out of here. Yeah, just say always connect. Now it's connected without internet because it just uses a Wi-Fi signal. We'll go back into the cam. It says connecting, and now we're connected. As you can see, nice clear 4K picture. You can go into your camera files, settings. You can have sound recording. Your photo resolution is set at 12 megapixel. Video resolutions at 4K. Exposure, timestamp, collision sensing, collision detection sensing for parking. You can change the Wi-Fi name. You can also change your password to whatever you need it to be. And of course, you can go here and see what size SD card you have, and you can format your SD card, which you can do every 2 to 3 months to keep it healthy. So this is actual footage from the dash cam. As you can see, it is extremely clear, 4K quality, and you can see the license plates on the cars. That is a huge plus, and it records smoothly with no hesitation, skipping, or anything like that. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's very simple to install, basically plug and play. The app is easy to set up, and I highly recommend it. It's got fantastic video quality, 4K, and it will definitely help you in the future, especially if you get in an accident. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find this. If you end up getting one, let me know what you think of it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.